And suddenly we're at the final stretch. This weekend is the last shopping weekend before Christmas, and the National Retail Federation has predicted record foot traffic on Super Saturday, with some 158 million consumers planning to shop on December 17. We pick out two trends from that little statistic. One, it seems the early predictions that consumers would be excited and willing to get out there and have that in-store experience again proved true this holiday season. Although, as in the past, we are seeing better growth in e-commerce. And secondly, despite the early holiday purchases made in October and November, there's always that last-minute shopper rushing to find the right gift before Christmas. You know who you are, every household has one, and that's a boon for the industry. Still, retail numbers continue to point to sales declines compared to last year, but they are higher than pre-pandemic levels of 2019. As a case in point, MasterCard reported US jewelry sales fell 3.9% year-on-year in November. Over in China, business remains slow, but there has been a shift in sentiment there, with optimism that there will be a release of pent-up demand after the government recently lifted its zero-COVID policy. And that move comes just in time for the peak holiday season, with the Chinese New Year coming up on January 22nd. Meanwhile, in the dealer market, buyers are being conservative, and they seem content to wait it out until January to see what inventory jewelers will need to replenish after the holiday season. The rough market is also quiet. Petra Diamonds sold $42 million worth at its December tender, which was 67% below its sales last year. But prices on a like-for-like basis rose 2.2% compared to November. De Beers reported it is planning production of 30 to 33 million carats in 2023. That's down from the 34 million carats recovered this year. Again, all this points to the majors being content with lower rough supply but maintaining prices, at least in the interim period of market uncertainty. As an aside, site holders are expecting De Beers to raise supply to Botswana and Namibia factories in the coming year, and that may impact manufacturing in other centers such as India. And so that's our diamond market roundup for the week ending December 16. Have a super Saturday, everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Get the highest cash prices when you sell your Melly and single stone diamonds with Rapaport Auctions. Talk to an expert today.